Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn how to create this clipping mask effect in Canva. Before start the video, subscribe to my channel for more design ideas. So let's start. Go to your Canva account and click on custom size and select the 1280 by 270 pixel layout. Then go in element and search for coconut image. I select this because I want a coconut image like this. So crop this and download that image. Now go in next page and copy that image, place here, place like this. Now go in element and search for beach related elements. Go in graphics and I select this graphics related with beach and place like this over the coconut image. Now click on coconut image and crop the coconut image like this. Now go in edit, select effect, go in Duton and change the color of highlight and shadow to black like this. Again set that beach graphics properly. Now download this image in PNG form. Now go in next page and drag that downloaded image and again the coconut image. Keep both the images side by side like this. Now go in app and search here for blend image. Now click on this first two. Now select the coconut image on top side and that black image on bottom layer. Select the blend mode and screen. Now we get this blend image. Now click on add design, crop like this and maximize image here. Now our blend image is ready. Now go for second design, select add new page and go in element, search for earth image. Keep that earth image in center. Now again go in element and search for building. I select this, again crop this earth in half. Place the building image like this. Now again go in element, edit. Select the Duton effect. Click on custom and the earth color change to black. Again download this image in PNG form. Now go in next page and again copy both the images, that is earth and black image of earth. Now again go in app, choose the blend image tool, then earth image, keep on top layer, then second image on bottom layer. Choose the screen blend mode. Now you get a design. Maximize here on next page. If you like this tutorial or any query related with this video, then comment down below. Subscribe to my channel for more design ideas. Thank you. Bye bye.